Hello, stock market enthusiasts. Silver didn't crash because demand disappeared. Silver crashed because America pulled the emergency brake. This has happened before in 1980, in 2011, and now again. There are five reasons which I can attribute for the sudden fall in silver. Let's discuss one by one. Last week, reason number one, the last week, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, or we typically call as CME, which controls the global silver futures market, hiked margins twice in 1 year. The total margin requirement jumped roughly from 20 to 25% in just few days. Imagine. This means traders suddenly needed millions of dollars more in cash just to hold the same silver position. Highly leveraged traders and hedge funds were forced to sell silver immediately, not because they wanted to, but because they are forced to and they don't have a choice. This selling crushed paper silver prices. Now let's discuss on the reason number two. Silver is not just a precious metal, it's a critical input for solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, defense equipments, and many data centers. If silver prices rise too fast, green energy economics break, solar costs rise, EV margins get squeezed, and the US energy transition comes under severe pressure. So volatility has to be crushed very fast, right? So reason number three, paper silver crashed, but physical silver did not. The world is already in a multi-year uh, physical silver deficit. Demand is running ahead of supply, driven by energy and technology. That is why physical silver premiums remain always elevated globally, even after the prices fall. Now let's get on to the reason number four. Large US banks and bullion banks hold significant short positions in silver derivatives. Imagine if silver prices kept rising unchecked, those short positions would face serious stress. Margin hikes cool prices, reduce pressure, and restore control, at least temporarily. So let's get out to reason number five, which is very important. China processes nearly 70% of the world's silver. China is accumulating physical silver, restricting exports through licensing rules, and prioritizing domestic industrial demand. So, while the US controls the paper pricing, China is tightening the physical supply. And that story is far from over. Now you understand why the silver prices crashed overnight?